This To-It skill is in Tips and Tricks and focuses on drag and drop. Drag and drop allows you to drag and drop files, web links, text, and graphics within a program and between programs. Typically, drag and drop does not work using streaming video and Flash animations. So let's see how all of this works. Right now I have two windows open, and I have one folder on the left and another folder on the right, and I have a variety of files, and all of these files happen to be JPEG pictures. If I want to drag and drop a file from one folder into another, I need to have both folders already open, and I simply drag from one into the other, and when I let go, it moves from one spot into the other. That's a drag and drop. So let me minimize these and open up Internet Explorer. Now I'm going to use, for demonstration, Internet Explorer, Notebook, PowerPoint, and also Word. So let's see how this works. The first thing I'm going to do is use web links. So I'm going to drag the web link into Notebook, and you notice that when I bring it down into the taskbar, it automatically makes the program maximized and up. So it is running right now. When I let go, it will put in the web link. Now in Notebook, when you drag a web link in, it turns it into a text box with an automatic hyperlink directly on it. If I go back into Google and I drag the web link into PowerPoint and I put it in, it will bring in just the text, and when I click away, it is not an active web link. If I go back into Google and do this one more time with dragging the web link into Word and I let it go, it brings in the web link and I can click on it with a control click. So it's a live link. So I can also go into moving text within a document. So in this case, I'm going to scroll up just a little bit. In this case, I have the presidents here and Ford, Carter, and Nixon, which are not in the correct order. So I'm going to change the order of the text by moving the text with a drag and drop. So I'm going to double-click Nixon, and I'm going to drag and then drop in front of Ford, and when I do that, Nixon is now in front of Ford. So they're in the correct order. I can also move the text between programs. So I'm going to double-click Presidents, and I'm going to drag and drop Presidents down into PowerPoint, and when I let go, Presidents, the text box, is directly into PowerPoint. I'm going to click back into Word and still select Presidents and drag that into Notebook. And again, I bring it down and I'll bring it back up, and now Presidents, the text, is now in Notebook. And this one also is editable text, so I can click on it, and when I double click, I'm able to change any of the settings. So in this case, I can make it bold, so I can change any of that. I can also drag and drop graphics. So I'm going to go back into Google, and I'm going to select a graphic, drag and drop it into Notebook, bring it back up, and now I have that graphic directly into Notebook with a drag and drop. I can also move that graphic between pages. So it's within the same Notebook file, but I want to move this into page 2. So I'm going to drag that graphic into page 2, and then I let go. I click into page 2, and here's my graphic. I can also bring this graphic into PowerPoint, so I can drag and drop into PowerPoint, and then when I let go, it's dropped into there. So those are just a few ways that you can use drag and drop within a program and between programs. Now it's time for you to get to it.